You're eating less, you're losing weight. But what if I told you, you might be burning muscle, not fat? Most people never realize until it's too late. In this video, you'll learn how to tell if your body is eating away at your muscle instead of actually burning fat. We'll break down 4 clear warning signs and what to change right now to fix it. If the scale is dropping fast but your body looks softer, not leaner, that's not fat loss. That's muscle loss. Fat loss is gradual. You tighten up. You see definition. Muscle loss, on the other hand, makes you look flat, not fit. This usually happens when you're cutting calories hard, but skipping protein or strength training. The body needs energy, and if it can't get it from food, it grabs your muscle tissue. Fix? Slow down your deficit and hit your protein targets daily. Losing fat might make you tired. Sure, but losing muscle actually makes you weaker. Can't lift the same weight? Struggle with stairs? That's a red flag. If your strength or stamina suddenly tanks, it's a sign your body's tapping into muscle for energy. And once muscle goes, your metabolism follows. To stop it, keep training with resistance, even if it's body weight. Your body will fight harder to hold on to muscle if it thinks you still need it. Here's a weird one. Muscle helps regulate hunger hormones. So when you lose muscle, your hunger cues get messed up. You eat, but you don't feel full. Your cravings spike. Your energy crashes. If you're eating clean but constantly feel like something's missing, your body might be screaming for muscle fuel. Fix this by spacing protein across your meals. Don't just slam a shake once a day and call it good. Fat loss tends to target the belly, hips, thighs, but muscle loss shows up in places like your shoulders, arms, legs, even your face. You shrink in all the wrong spots. If your clothes are looser, but your body looks skinny fat or deflated, that's not progress. That's muscle breakdown. You want to burn fat, not flatten your frame. The key is to cut smart, not just fast. If this helped you spot the warning signs, hit like and drop a comment. What's your current goal? Fat loss or muscle gain? And if you want more no BS advice like this, subscribe and stick around. You're not getting fluff here. Let's recap. If you're shrinking but not seeing definition, you're probably losing muscle. Feeling weak, not just tired? Another red flag. Always hungry after eating? That's your muscle mass talking. Losing size everywhere, not just fat zones. Time to reassess. The bottom line, losing weight doesn't mean you're getting healthier. Burning fat equals good. Burning muscle equals metabolic disaster. Now you know the difference and how to stop it before it ruins your progress.